Hello viewers, welcome to Rishraj Classes YouTube channel. In my each and every video which is related to maths, I always say one thing, that maths is full of amazing facts. It's a very interesting subject. The one concept, that is squares and square roots, which is in class 8, this concept itself is full of amazing facts. We have already uploaded 3 videos in which I have explained some interesting facts of the squares and square roots. And the list didn't end there. Few more facts are still waiting for you. So in this video, I am going to continue with few more facts of the chapter squares and square roots. So please do watch this video till end, because while explaining these facts, I am also going to tell you why you should know this fact. Only because they are interesting? No. There is a special reason behind this, why you should know all these things. So without wasting time, let's start with the next fact of this chapter, that is squares and square roots. But before I start writing something on the board, please check whether you have pressed the subscribe button or no. Please do subscribe our channel so that you will get the regular updates of such interesting videos. Okay. Now, the next fact. Let's see the sum of odd numbers. First is 1. This is 1 itself. 1 plus next odd number is 3. Sum is 4. Okay. 1 plus 3 plus 5. Sum is 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Sum is 16. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. It's 25. Just observe these numbers carefully. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. What are these numbers? These are nothing but perfect square. Perfect square of which number? 1 is square of 1. 4 is square of 2. 9 is square of 3. 16 is square of 4. 25 is square of 5. Now, let's compare how many odd numbers did we add. Here we have only one odd number, that is 1. Here we are adding 2 odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3, and we get 2 square, that is 4. Here we are adding 3 odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5, and we get 3 square, that is 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, we are adding 4 odd numbers. Sum is 16, and which is nothing but square of 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, it's 25. We are adding 5 odd numbers and the sum is square of 5. So what can we conclude from this? If we add first n odd numbers, first it should start from 1. Okay, if we add first n odd numbers, we can say sum. Okay, sum of first n odd numbers is n square. So this is first fact of this video, not the first fact of this squares and square root. Already I have explained many facts in previous 3 videos. Okay, so this fact was quite interesting and quite simple. Let's move to the next fact. Now, the next fact is something like this. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. Fine. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. Okay, I would like to write this. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. Now 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there between these square numbers? Between 2 and 3. We have 2 numbers. Okay, between these perfect squares. Okay, here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have here 4 numbers between the square of 2 and 3. Let's check this. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 numbers between these squares. So let us compare how many numbers are there between the two perfect square. Consecutive numbers. Okay, it should be the square of consecutive numbers. So here 1 and 2. We get here 2, which is 1 into 2. Here between 2 and 3, number of digits is 4. Means number of numbers is 4, which is 2 into 2. In this case, it is 10, which is 5 into 2. So what can we conclude here? So number of numbers between the two consecutive perfect square is, see, if it is n square and n plus 1 square. So how many digits will come between this? This is nothing but n into 2. Why we should know all these things? Have patience, I'll tell you. So here, this is how we have to find how many numbers are there between the two consecutive perfect squares. So this was one more interesting fact. Let's move to the next fact. Now let's find the difference of the consecutive squares. Means what? 2 square minus 1 square is 4 minus 1, that is 3. It's simple. Okay. But what is the fact lying in this? I'll tell you. Next is, let's say 5 square minus 4 square. 25 minus 16 is 9. Let's take 11 square minus 10 square. 121 minus 100, that is 21. Okay. One more higher number we will try. Let's check what is 21 square minus 20 square. 441 minus 400 is 41. Now let's check whether this difference is related to square or its square root. Let's check. 3. Now this 3 is nothing but 2 plus 1. 9. 9 is nothing but 5 plus 4. 21. 21 is nothing but 11 plus 12. And 41. 41 is nothing but 21 plus 20. So now, what can we conclude about this fact? That if we find this difference, that is square of one number and its previous number, this is nothing but this n plus 1 plus n. This is the difference. One more amazing fact. One more is there. These facts, they are really interesting. They are just amazing. Now just have a look at this fact. 1. Okay, 1 I'll write as it is. 1 plus 2 plus 1. It's 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. What is the fact in this? Okay, now 1. This is 1 square. 4, it's 2 square. 9, it's 3 square. And 16, it's 4 square. We are adding the digits, consecutive numbers, continuous numbers, or we can say first natural numbers up to 2, up to 3, up to 4, and again we are going in the reverse order. And what we get? The square of this center number. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, we get 3 square. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, we get 4 square. Similarly, if we write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, what we will get? Yes, we will get 5 square, and that is 25. So, the list ends for this video. Why you should know all these things? I told in the beginning that I'll tell you the reason that why you should know all these things. See, the first thing is, there is no harm to know new things. There is no harm to know these amazing facts. It's a quite interesting thing to know all these interesting facts which are hidden in this world of mathematics. And the second reason is, if you want to face any competitive exam in future, it can be any exam. Okay, it can be for engineering or any other aptitude test, TET, CTET, or anything. And what I call it as pre-foundation course. And even if you are going to face any scholarship exam, so such things helps you to face such exams confidently. Because what such exams need is the thorough knowledge of each and every concept what you learn. The expectation of these exams is not that you should know many things. No. Means if you are going to write the exam after 10th, they don't expect that you should know what is there in the syllabus of engineering. No. What is the expectation is, whatever you have studied till 10th, each and every concept you should know deeply, thoroughly. And this is the reason why you should know all these minute things of each and every chapter. So, to get the updates of such interesting videos, you might have already subscribed our channel. And please don't keep this video only up to yourself. Please do share this among your friends. My dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.